Are you looking for spray foam installation in Austin, Texas? If yes, this will be the most important message you see. Having spray foam insulation installed in your home can be great, but most Austin spray foam insulation contractors do it wrong. Let me clarify. New construction spray foam is easy. Most insulation contractors can do a decent job. But the problem is with installing spray foam insulation in existing homes. For example, converting your existing attic or crawl space from fiberglass to spray foam. There is a huge difference with new build spray foam versus existing home conversions to spray foam insulation in Austin. Most Austin insulation installers make critical mistakes when converting a house from fiberglass into spray foam encapsulated systems. The accidental malpractice is rampant. Homeowners almost never know of the costly errors. You may have heard the news stories of spray foam insulation done bad. Bad foam is easy to fix in a new build. There's easy access, but correcting bad foam in an existing home is much more expensive for the homeowner. Stellrr Insulation specializes in converting existing homes into spray foam insulated homes. Most insulation contractors do 95% new construction. It's simple, following the blueprint. But with retrofit homes, we have to redesign everything. And we have to treat the home as a system. There are 13 steps essential for success when converting to spray foam insulation in Austin. And I'm shocked when I review competitor estimates. I almost never see more than 2 to 3 of the 13 steps included in the proposal. What does that mean? Well, other installers are missing most of the steps for success. What are the 13 steps for converting to spray foam insulation? The 13 steps are a highly guarded secret. Competitors have plagiarized other solutions that I've shared. I don't worry that competitors would do the 13 steps right. It's very difficult to implement. What worries me is them sounding competent, which is very misleading. When you have Stellrr do a home diagnostic consult, we will reveal the 13 steps for success. In some homes, we do not have to perform each of the 13 steps, but we do have to address each one. Why can't Stellrr just send you a blind estimate for spray foam? Other installation contractors do it. Why doesn't Stellrr? Well, there are many factors that go into retrofit installation pricing. Plus, we've identified 93 different problem building assemblies that Stellrr addresses in each home. Each problem has a specific solution for a proper fix. You may ask us to install spray foam, but when we diagnose the issue, the right solution may be something different. There is no one-size-fits-all for home comfort and savings. So here's what to do next. Give us a call now or request a consult by completing the diagnostic consult request form linked below. During your consult, you'll discover exactly what is going on in your home, the truth about why you have high utility bills, what is the hidden factor in your pest control issues, why some rooms are uncomfortable all the time, where we find the biggest indoor air quality problems. Blower door test will reveal the air leaks and their locations, your different options for fixing the home's problems, even if it doesn't include hiring Stellrr, thermal imaging that shows hot and cold spots, why solar pest control and HVAC pros talk trash about spray foam. It is incredible how much spray foam decreases their sales from reduced system requirements. You also learn how long it will take to recover your investment and much more. Stellrr is not married to spray foam. We install blown cellulose, rock wool bat insulation, and other solutions as well. Many insulation companies only do spray foam or fiberglass, so they only recommend the one they sell. For us, we can get the same results with foam as we can with cellulose. It's about having the full system properly installed. During your consult, we can compare some of the other options like installing aluminum foil radiant barrier, adding a layer of insulation on top of the existing, removing the existing insulation and reblowing with new insulation, and different types of spray foam systems. Is foam really worth the investment today? Well, we'll tell you. So take the next step. Give us a call or request your diagnostic consult by completing the form linked below. Spray foam is a big decision, so you want to make certain that you make an informed and intelligent choice. If you're not quite ready for the consult, then download my ebook, Secrets to Making Your Home Comfortable and Energy Efficient. If you found this content useful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more home comfort and energy savings tips, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day.